Kumshi benta menwanra ya ke Jingrakhe adakar banyak kali ka office district transport officer ke district East Khasi Hills rengkat ke jingit Trilang bat keyboard penyiat district bat ketenat pulit kila penelong ya ke program Jingrakhe ya ke Jingwanra ya ke Jingshingan haki surok haunu benai ya ke belatip kum ka National Road Safety Month arhajar arpusau. Ya kini program na sedang haka khat arterik urempang arhajar arpusau baran penkut yaka haka khat sau terik uleber arhajar arpusau. Bat la sedang yaka haka jingalang ke belalong haka parking lot ke beran persya bat ka SBI Shillong branch haka nong ba Shillong. Haka ni sengi dan nang u presiden kinongnya akali sarkar u ba CCM le USP traffic u ke prasad ka deputy commissioner ke district East Khasi Hills ikong RM Kurba bat kiwe-kiwe.
Highway ki bon haki cases of hit and run nga request ki pait ba kat kum kaan balapan mi nak Supreme Court bapila ban lift ki to gibreu okay ki kat ki good Samaritan, please help people la da fi ki baki accident halan ti sengken what ki kumto what ye lam met kashan mobile ban post up on Facebook na ban spread the wild like pelong viral ya ka the first step kum responsible citizen kalong ba pin phone ya ka 108 lane lada pidon ka kali please help pila ban save life namar ba lada dang day iti golden hour hapo si kanta dang la ban yarap yaitu ibreu ban penpoy siya po hospital banyo ya gajeng yarap tela delay la nang lose ya kasnam jang itu ibreu tela nang tela nang duna kataka jingkermen ba in light im tis ngo bha wat tiang yo piong bahap late siya kekut ba yo hap ban hajir hakut kamdan kung bata pila ban si one drop because it has happened to me kalang lajang ngaklam siya khot hang no hanoru but snow bha ban ra gitu ki ba yo accident ha surong live ki wood ra ikishan hospital khnang ba kila ban yo jingyarang kata kadi ka request na kaliang ka jonga matagasngi na marangas nga lay ibon bahagi breu ki stanat ban sim yagi video ban post ki te kani kamyarap hi ban nam tau tu bala accident kamyarap ro ya ndrei Shillong tang ban yo ya tho khana ban yo ban lorni mo ndrei ka ka bang ikwa mangi pede ka long bas o ha para men siam ni dei ban kloy ban yaram.
What we have experienced that in every year there are thousands of precious lives are lost due to the road accidents, and many of them they sustain the fatal injuries. The reason behind it is the reckless driving, over speeding, and many speakers they have all attributed that the respect. They are not respecting each other rights. They are asserting themselves that they are only the one who are paying the road tax, and they only are being allowed to exercise their wills. These are not the rules. In fact, in Meghalaya itself, we have numbers of casualties every year. In Shillong city, last year we have registered 46 cases. 46 cases, out of 46 cases, 40 deaths were reported and 15 persons were sustained grievous injuries. I am talking about 2024 in the month of January. Only we have registered 6 cases where we have lost 6 lives. And there are 13 grievous injuries. So that way you can imagine that how conscious we are while using the roads. We are always in hurry. We do not pay the importance for others. And we are overtaking in the busy markets. Whereas Assembly, he has already given the brief details, and it was a very nice expression where each and everyone should understand. Confronting to each other, it carry no meanings, because traffic is generally who are on the road, they are performing their jobs, they are regulating and enforcing the laws. It is one who can make the difference. It is only the drivers. The driver's food seats carry a lot of responsibility. He doesn't carry his own life, but he carry the others also. So that he should understand that while using the roads, they should be careful. They should not understand that it gives a thrill while driving. Driving under the state of intoxication itself is a crime. And as you know, that the fine is amounting to 10,000 rupees.